Marielle and welcome to my channel. Good morning guys! I haven't had enough sleep today, so klarong-klaro naman kasi because it's exam week. Pero I'm going to try to be productive and study well for the next few exams. So our exams already started last Thursday, so to say the least, this will be again the longest 2 weeks of my life. So what I have to do today is to study, of course, finish some household chores, tapos may errands ako mamaya. Before doing all those, I'd like to thank my favorite local brand, Fresh Philippines. Yes, Fresh Philippines for sending a care package. So, as you know, I am a part of the medical field. So, yes, I'm a med student and also an RMT. And personally, I am glad to receive these.
Fresh Skin Lab is a local brand that offers quality and affordable skin and personal care products. The brand advocates its hashtag staying fresh and protected during this health crisis we're still experiencing right now. They recently released their newest products from their health lab, and these are Mybacin Orange and Lemon Zinc lozenges to help boost our immune system. Probiotic Toothpaste to balance the pH for a cleaner mouth and fresher breath. It's triclosan, paraben, and fluoride-free. FreshPH 94 face mask, which has a variety of colors, perfect for any OOTD. And the last one is Fresh Alcohol Spray. This one is super handy and has multi-purpose uses. You can use this for your hands, to sanitize your room, bed, sofa, countertops, and literally everything. And it has a variety of fruity scents, mixed berries, and peach mango scent.
As a Fresh Skin Lab avid user, I can attest to how much these products not only improve the health of our skin, but also the overall wellness of our body. So, let's start the day!
Probiotic toothpaste from Fresh Skin Lab has antibacterial properties that help protect our teeth and gums against cavities and other causing bacteria. Did you know that our mouth is the dirtiest area of our body, and with the help of probiotics, which are live microorganisms or commonly called the good bacteria, these will have health benefits when consumed by our body. It helps maintain a healthy mouth. In fact, regularly consuming probiotics may lower your risk of developing gum disease and other oral health problems. Also, the best way to brush your teeth is before eating breakfast. It helps coat our teeth with a protective barrier against acid in your food. Before I start studying, I'm going to take some vitamins. It is very important to note that incorporating zinc in our diet actually improves our immunity, has antioxidants, and can improve our mood as well.
Grabe, ang dami ko pang aralin. Yan.
Hello! So, yun nga, ang dami kong ginawa today. Nakita niyo naman sa mga clips ko kanina. So, ngayon, pupunta kami ng grocery with my family kasi wala na kami na pagkain. And we need snacks for the exam. Mag-ayos na ako ng mukha para presentable din ako lumabas. Ayos, hindi ako stress kasi sobrang nakaka-stress talaga tong week na to. Ito talaga usually ginagamit ko sa Fresh Healthlab na tinted sunscreen. So, ito yung silbing foundation ko na kasi it's very lightweight lang. Enough na siya to cover up the blemishes. Hanap ng good lighting. Ayan. Pag nagme-makeup talaga ako, gamit na talaga tong kamay ko. Kasi hindi ako nakakapag-clean ng brushes ko. Nakakalimutan ko actually. Mas maganda yung effect pag sa kamay ko talaga ginagamit. And make sure that it is clean. Very light lang just to add definition. No makeup look. And then usually sa lips, di na talaga nag-iinarte kasi tatabunan din naman ng mask. So I'll just put some lip oil or lip balm just to add moisture sa lips ko. So ayan, the grocery makeup look. So before we go, just use this one for protection. I chose beige para there na lang.
The KF94 mask is already a strong protective equipment due to its 94% filter for aerosol particles, which can protect us from viruses, blocks out dirt and dust from our surroundings. This one has already 4 layers of fabric protection or 4-ply with elastic strings, and so far it is breathable, disposable, comfortable, and claims to be a mask knee-free mask. So far, my subscribers who are looking for a mask that will still make you look fresh and trendy, I highly recommend this one.
So, ayan. Ganito lang pero usually laman ng bag ko. Pitaka, ball pen, the alcohol. Sanitize tayo mamaya.
Hello! So nakatambay pa kami ngayon sa office ng mom ko kasi nag-brown out and yung mga vaccines! My God! Grabe! Kailangan silang i-store sa cold temperature tapos nag-brown out dito sa office niya. Oh my God! So yun, SOS. Lakas kasi ng ulan. It's crying!
Oh, guwapo! Dapat
Uy, bakit ba mahumot?
mahumot! Ano masasabi mo? Sorry.
Gutom na ako.
Sorry, Oma.
Sorry, Oma. It's exam week. I have to eat.
Oh, I'm going to make the homemade kimchi with my mommy. Sige, pakuan.
Paluto ko, Tebe.
Lupot.
Scooby. Mommy approve.
Daddy approve po.
Daddy approve.
Hi, so we're done eating dinner and ito yung nabili namin sa DIY. Yung storage box, lalagay namin ng mga jewelry dito. And then also, this one. Tatlo na siyang compartment. May dalawa. And then may isa pa. Ayan. And then this one. Kasi magulo yung ano namin, lalagyan ng mga skincare and all. So, I hope nakakasya to lahat.
Hi, I'm back. I'll just continue to study and we'll end this video na. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something today and natuwa naman sa mini vlog ko with my fam and sharing with you all kung anong mga ginagawa ko today. So together with Fresh Skin Lab, we can help each other improve our health and secure a virus-free lifestyle. And I hope you enjoy my latest finds that will keep you and your fam fresh and protected whenever, wherever. I also invite you all to check this out at any Watsons store and online. So the Fresh Hall of Fame products are also on sale. So I'll put the link down below so that you can navigate yourself towards the Watsons online store. So I'm glad to be part of this brand. Sobrang happy ko talaga na pili ako na to promote this brand and hopefully continue this partnership for future videos. So I hope you are all safe, study well, and enjoy what you're doing. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click notification down below to keep you guys updated on my next video. So I'll see you guys soon. Laban mga doc. Stay safe. Bye!